It's Father's Day on Cool Deeds! On this perfect summer day, I have made some skewers on the grill, some grilled pineapple, and stuffed grilled peppers. I have also made some salad, some pink lemonade, which we're going to teach you to make in an upcoming video. We've added some Okanagan cherries for, just for decoration. And we've also got these lovely cookies from our family friend's small business. It's called Sweet and Savoury. Trust me guys, these cookies are delicious. If you want to support, it's all for a good cause, it's all about the recent protests and everything that's going on in the news right now. More information in the description. You can check out their link in the description. So without further ado, get it? Let's jump in and show you how we made these excellent dishes. Let's go. Let's go. To start on the salad, we're gonna need some fresh and organic strawberries.
Oops, but we don't have any strawberries.
Don't worry, I'll go get them from the farm. Got the strawberries from the farm. They're all fresh and organic. Let's give them a wash and then we're gonna cut them up for our salad. Only the best strawberries make the cut. You want to remove the stems and then cut the strawberries into quarters so the pieces look like this. Let's slice the Gouda cheese. My dad loves Gouda cheese, and it's really gonna add a spicy and savory aspect to the salad. Let's get our dressing ready. So, we're gonna cut a lemon. And we're just gonna squeeze the juice into 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Then we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of orange juice. With pulp or without pulp, it's fine. It's just depending on your preference. We're also gonna need 2 tablespoons. We're also gonna need 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And then into that mixture, we're gonna add salt and pepper to taste. Little pepper, salt, and we're gonna mix it all up. If you want a little bit of sweetness, you can add some organic honey while you're mixing. Now we're gonna assemble the salad. First, we're gonna put some spinach. Then we're gonna add our strawberries from earlier. And we're also gonna add our Gouda cheese sliced. Then we're gonna sprinkle some walnuts. It'll give the salad a bit of a crunch. And finally, we're gonna drizzle our dressing. For the skewers, you will need 600 grams of meat. We're using chicken thigh. You can also use chicken breast or other meat. 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of crushed red pepper, 2 teaspoons coriander powder, 2 teaspoons cumin powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half a teaspoon paprika powder, 2 tablespoons of oil, 4 teaspoons of lemon juice, and 4 teaspoons of soy sauce. We also have a lot of veggies that we're going to stick onto our skewers. So we have our garden zucchini, red onion, different colors of bell pepper, mushrooms, tomatoes, and onions. The first step is to marinate our chicken. So let's add all our spices into the bowl of chicken and mix it. Let's cut the lemon in half. Squeeze it onto the meat and the spices. Next, add 4 teaspoons of soy sauce. Then the oil. 2 tablespoons. Mix it. Let's get our chicken marinated for 30 minutes and prepare the veggies. Next up is cutting the bell pepper. Now our bell peppers are finished, and the next veggie is the onion. So first let's get the skin off. Slice off the top and the bottom. Next we have our garden zucchini. Once all your vegetables are prepared, add a tiny bit of oil and mix it with your hands. The next step, the most exciting step, is to assemble our beautiful skewers. So put any veggies you want and make sure you've soaked your sticks for around 15 minutes, your skewer sticks. So you can add all your veggies and chicken. Our dad really likes chicken, so I'm going to put a lot of it in big pieces. Now it's time to barbecue our skewers out in our amazing garden. Let's get the barbecue ready. That was scary. Now we're preheating the barbecue. The barbecue is preheated and ready to put our skewers on. First, brush some oil onto the grill. Then add your skewers. Be careful because it's really hot. Lower the heat to 350 degrees and close the top. After around 8 minutes, turn the skewers. As a side to the skewers, we also added some bell peppers. And let's toss them onto the grill. We grilled the skewers for 16 minutes. You might want to do more or less depending to your taste. We also added pineapple, so let's get that out. We're going to add some cheese to the sweet peppers while they're still hot, so it melts and tastes really good. Now let's add some spinach dip inside. This side is a really good combo with the skewers, so make sure to try them out.
Finally, all the dishes are done and ready to serve as a Father's Day brunch. Enjoy!